Can't stop sneezing? Have a stuffy, itchy nose? Burning eyes? There's a solution. Dr. Lehman can help determine the cause of your allergies and customize a treatment plan that can be done safely at home. It can even help alleviate your symptoms permanently.
Thank you, Austin, for your continued social distancing and efforts to stay well. We're ready to serve you safely and help you find relief.
So if you're suffering from seasonal allergies, take action. Visit drlehmanent.com and schedule your appointment today.